is my business card, okay? And whenever I roam around the country and I give it to people, they look at it, they see Goa and say, how do you manage to work there? Because they think that I'm on the beach having beer the whole day. And then I say I'm into 3D printing. It's a high-tech additive manufacturing. And they somehow Goa does not, align well in everybody else's mind when it comes to high-tech in manufacturing. So we are known for our casinos, our tourism, and all kinds of stuff. So when I met Rajesh and we were speaking about this, the first question I asked him, where do you want to start this? Is it somewhere like Bangalore or like Mumbai or something? He says, no. I am from here and I want to start it here. And that's when I said, yes, you have got full support from 3D Systems and we will work together as a team to make this a success. So I wish Rajesh and Iraj and the entire team all the best.
Happiest congratulations to Iraj, especially with the whole thought of coming and starting a new business. खंयची गजाल सुरवात करता जाल्यार दोन तरेचे आसता, एक बापूय फाटल्यान आसता नाल्यार एक आपूण स्वता धंदो बापायचो घेता नाजाल्यार वी वूड वॉन्ट टू डू समथिंग डिफरंट. But a different never is a risk. It's something which is proven and something which you would want to do, which everybody has been doing, is something some family thinks about. I think Iraj has come here with a very different thought. I was just asking Rajesh, so we are saying that he's done his BE in UK. आता BE mechanical करून UK करून half of our people don't think of coming back. And the people who come back don't come with ideas, they just join their father's business and they do what their father has been doing. Industry 4.0, which includes all AR, VR, machine learning, all technological aspects what we have been talking about, and through policies of startup, through policies of IT, talking about electronic manufacturing cluster, the whole idea is that first target is the economy and the second is the employment. Economy, we look at new verticals opening up in Goa because we look at the knowledge economy opening up. And secondly, in terms of the employment, we need to ensure that the skill and the talent that we hold, we always say the Goans are very good when talent comes in. But lack of opportunities make them migrate into different locations and they do not get opportunities here. The bridge between the job giver and the job seeker comes in, and then that is where the government tries to intervene through policies so we are able to give that comfort line. Coming here, I think, gives us an opportunity to talk differently, think differently. Dilip has been in this business for long, representing 3D Systems. Today we are talking about Nirmitsu Design Labs, which has been talking about 3D printing facility coming in a big way in Goa. So coming here and भितर गेलो जाल्यार सगळ्यात पहिले म्हाका राजेशान एक 3D printed कदेल दाखयलें. So when I saw that, the first impression was whether I should sit or no. Close to 100 kilos जातले घेवपाक काय ना काय म्हणून. जाल्यार बस रे तूं म्हणून. So बसलो जाल्यार I found a comfort. Means we are talking about technological advances with precision. With that finish that we would want to, coming out to different things. Now 3D printing machine has been a whole thought. I think the future right now is here. Whether it's for aerospace, whether it's for foundry, whether it's for medical, so many areas we can think about. And last couple of years, the government of Goa under Dr. Pramod Sawant, they had bought a small 3D printing machine through Dilip only. With the whole idea ki academia, researchers, people start making the protos, understand what can be the alternates. So interestingly, last time jenna tajaka Dilipakade uletalo, he told me now if you have a jaw cancer, earlier it had to be treated. Now he said we remove the doctor removes the whole jaw. We make a 3D printed jaw, whether it's what material, titanium, and then we fit it back. And I was imagining ki we are actually transiting with so many things that in days to come, whether it is every component of your body will be 3D printed, which will maybe make us immortal in addition to the discussion of stem cells we make. But आज आम्ही हांगा जे lab inaugurate झाल्या, it's a very happy moment for all of us, especially a young boy coming back, studying abroad, but joining his family, starting a new enterprise, which is technologically savvy, joining the part of Industry 4.0 and giving an example to many of the people who are here, who pass here as graduates, who pass here doing their things, looking for opportunities ki Goya sagळे आसा जशें दिलीपान म्हणलें, इट्स नॉट ओनली द बियर अँड द शेक, and there are many more things if you look at it seriously. COVID has proven that many people came back to Goa, whether they were Goans or no, because they found that nature at its best and creativity at its best was in Goa. So as we start the part of ensuring that the industry moves in, our part of collaborating, whether it's with the industry or the academia, we are here. So whether it's a startup, whether the researchers or people from the industry, I think all of them can take a lot of advantage from this particular design lab, not only for designs or taking the protos, but also looking at manufacturing in terms of a large scale, which in days to come, I think can be proven metal. So I think the future is here. And on a lighter note, I think the future also is getting 3D printed here in Goa. With Iraj and Rajesh, I think I take the opportunity to convey my best wishes. The policies and the government, if anything is there where we can be of assistance or help, we are always here to ensure that whatever backup is required, we are here. Keeping in mind the economics and the employment, we take this opportunity to not only wish you, but also create a backup wherever you need. Kidak maka ista collaboration is the call of the day, and if we collaborate, we can find answers to many. Let's look for a better future for Iraj and for Goa. Thank you. Dev Bari Koru. Jai Hind.